Uh-oh, the forest is a messy, muddy playground, and the animals need your toddler's help. In this squishy, giggly adventure, little rescuers will team up to save birds, bunnies, deer, and even farm animals stuck in gooey mud puddles. With shovels, toy ones, ropes, yarn, and lots of teamwork, toddlers will love pulling plush animals to safety, washing their muddy paws, and learning gentle care through play. Each hands-on station brings the story to life. Toucan is a colorful bird known for its large, vibrant beak, which can be nearly half the length of its body. Toucan lives in the tropical forests of Central and South America, often found high in the canopy. They are most active during the day and sleep in tree holes at night. Toucan is admired worldwide for its unique look and cheerful colors. Flamingos get their pink color from their diet. They eat algae, shrimp, and other small crustaceans rich in beta-carotene, a pigment that turns their feathers pink. Flamingos often stand on one leg, and scientists believe it helps them conserve body heat or maintain balance while resting. Flamingos are filter feeders. Black swan was once thought to be mythical in Europe, until it was discovered in the 1600s in Australia. Its name is now used to describe rare or unexpected events. Black swan is mostly herbivorous, feeding on aquatic plants, algae, and sometimes grazing on land. They often upend in water like ducks to reach food below the surface. Black swan often lives in flocks, but pairs become territorial during the breeding season. They can be aggressive in defending their nesting sites. Eagles have incredible vision. They can see 4 to 8 times better than humans, allowing them to spot prey from up to 2 miles, 3.2 kilometers away. Eagles are top predators. They sit at the top of the food chain and hunt fish, rodents, reptiles, and even other birds. Eagles can fly at high altitudes, sometimes soaring up to 10,000 feet, 3,000 meters. They use thermal air currents to glide for hours with little effort. Peacock refers to the male of the species. The females are called peahens, and together they are called peafowl. Peacocks are famous for their iridescent tail feathers, or train, which can be over 5 feet, 1.5 meters, long. These feathers are not used for flying, but for courtship displays to attract females. Peacocks can fly. Geese mate for life. Pairs form strong bonds and usually stay together for many years, often raising goslings, baby geese, together. Geese have excellent memories and can recognize people, places, and even specific threats. Hamsters have expandable cheek pouches that they use to carry food and nesting material. They can stuff food all the way back to their shoulders. Hamsters have poor eyesight, but a strong sense of smell and excellent hearing, which helps them navigate and detect predators. Cows are herbivores, meaning they only eat plant-based food like grass, hay, and grains. They can eat for up to 8 hours a day, consuming around 100 pounds, 45 kilograms of food daily. Cows have 4 stomach chambers, the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum, which help them digest tough Foxes are part of the dog family, Canidae, but share some traits with cats, such as vertical pupils, stealthy hunting, and climbing skills. Foxes are omnivores, eating a wide range of food. Rodents, birds, fruits, insects, and even garbage in urban areas. Foxes communicate with more than 40 sounds. Shoebill is a large bird found in East Africa's swamps, famous for its huge, shoe-shaped beak. Its powerful bill helps it catch large prey like fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. Shoebill can stand over 4 feet tall and has a wingspan up to 8 feet, making it one of the largest flying birds. Shoebill is both mysterious and majestic. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, 97 to 113 kilometers per hour in short bursts, typically over 200 to 300 meters. Cheetahs have long, slender bodies designed for speed. Alligators are ancient reptiles. They have existed for over 37 million years, surviving major climate shifts and mass extinctions, making them living fossils. Alligators can grow very large. Adult males can reach up to 15 feet, 4 to 4.5 meters long, and weigh over 1,000 pounds, 450 kilograms. Pandas are native to the mountain ranges in central China, where they live in temperate forests with a lot of bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary animals. Each adult panda has its own home range, and they only come together during mating season. Pandas have a very short breeding season, only a few days each year. Dogs have been companions to humans for over 15,000 years, originally domesticated from wolves, and have served various roles such as hunters, protectors, and companions. A dog's hearing is far better than a human's. They can hear sounds in the range of 40 Hz to 60 kHz. Parrots are social birds. They often live in flocks, and many species form strong, lifelong bonds with their mates. They are highly social and enjoy the company of other birds and humans. Parrots have zygodactyl feet, meaning they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward. This unique foot structure helps them grab and hold on to things, making them excellent climbers. Ibis is a long-legged wading bird known for its down-curved beak, which it uses to probe mud for food like insects, crustaceans, and worms. Ibis lives in large social groups, often nesting and feeding in flocks for safety and communication. Ibis adapts well to both natural wetlands and urban environments, often seen in parks, fields, and garbage dumps. Roosters are male chickens, and their primary role in the flock is to protect hens and help fertilize eggs. The female counterpart is called a hen, and a baby chicken is known as a chick. Roosters are known for their crowing. They typically crow at dawn, but can crow at any time of the day. Chickens are the closest living relatives to the Tyrannosaurus rex, shared ancestry from theropod dinosaurs. Chickens can recognize over 100 faces, human and chicken, solve puzzles, and learn from observation. Snakes are legless reptiles, belonging to the suborder serpents. They evolved from lizard-like ancestors that lost their legs over millions of years. Snakes use their tongues to smell. Their forked tongue picks up chemicals in the air and brings them to the Jacobson's organ in the roof of their mouth, helping them taste and track prey. Owls are nocturnal birds of prey, meaning they are most active at night and hunt for food like rodents, insects, and small birds. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees thanks to extra neck vertebrae, but contrary to myth, they cannot turn their heads all the way around. Owls have amazing night vision, and their large forward-facing eyes help them see in very low light. However, their eyes are fixed in place. Rhino horns are made of keratin, the same substance found in human hair and nails. Despite common myths, the horn has no medicinal value, yet rhinos are often poached for it. Rhinos are mostly solitary animals, except for mothers with calves and occasional social gatherings near watering holes. Rhinos are herbivores and eat grasses, leaves, shoots, and branches. White rhinos graze on grass, while black rhinos Horses have been domesticated for over 5,000 years, originally used for transportation, farming, and warfare. Horses communicate using body language, ear position, tail movement, and vocalizations like neighs, snorts, and whinnies. Horses have excellent memories, especially for people and places. They can remember kind or unkind treatment for years. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up, thanks to a special locking mechanism in their legs. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. The African elephant is the largest species, with males weighing up to 14,000 pounds, 16,350 kilograms, and standing up to 13 feet, 4 meters tall at the shoulder. Elephants have long trunks, which are incredibly versatile. They can use their trunks to pick up food, drink water, communicate, and even help in social interactions, like greeting or comforting each other. Cool, clean chocolate pudding or kinetic sand, use mini pulleys to lift a stuck wooden deer, or guide rubber duckies down a rainwash river to clean them off. Special Who Stuck sound buttons let toddlers match animal calls to creatures in need, while a muddy footprint trail leads them to hidden forest friends. Don't miss the emergency snack station.